Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Seriously slacked this week. I didn't have a video up on Monday or Wednesday. So sorry about that. But you know what? It is February. It is monthly makeup basket time. We're gonna go through some stuff. We're gonna put some stuff on my face. It's gonna be a good time. I've got some excellent stuff planned for the rest of this month that I will actually upload. Promise. Well, let's start this out by emptying my travel bag. The NYX BB Cream Mary Luminizer, Revlon in Terra Copper, the Trace Steak Mattifying Stick, Manicadar Red Lip Stain, Larizzi Lip Pencil in Retro Red, Ciate Fierce Flicks Liner, Smashbox Always On Liquid Lip in Misconduct, ABH Dip Brow in Auburn, Clinique High Impact Mascara, Blistex Mint Original Yo, Sormay Pencil Liner in the Navy, Steve Laurent Blush in Rosé All Day, and the Balm Foiled Again Single Shadow in Locked Up. Let's get into this. I'm gonna go one item at the time from the base up, and we will show you what I had last month and then put on my face what we're doing this month. Smoothie time. Let's start with chapstick. So last month I had the Lip Smacker Lemon Square chapstick, which guess what, guys? I finally used up. I know this has been used in several months, but it's finally going into my empties bin. It's so old. This month we're going with the Avon Christmas Lip Balm. Going through the stash. In Toasted Marshmallow. I don't know if this is gonna be tinted or not. It's a little bit of a dark tint. It doesn't taste as good as I thought it was going to. I have to apologize right now for King Joffrey here. He's taken residence on my face. Primer. Last month I used my Holy Grail, the NYX Pore Filler. This month it is dry. It has been like minus 50 Celsius. So dry and itchy. So this month I am going back to my Stellar Brilliant Primer. It is very hydrating, and that is really what I need right now. Hydration. And it feels so smooth. Foundation. So last month used the Maybelline Baby Dream Cream. And this month I want to use my Maybelline Fit Foundation Stick. I want to get some use out of this while I am still my winter shade. Put this on with my hands. So I'm gonna get some on and then just massage this in to the skin. And there we go. Evened everything out. Alrighty, concealer. I had the Bye Bye Under Eye. You know what? I'm gonna use a teensy bit of this right now just on top of Joffrey here. I do have to go out today, so I'm just gonna give him that extra bunch of coverage here. Ugh, okay, well that's as good as he's getting. And then for my under eye concealer, I'm gonna go back to the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. If some of you have been watching these for a while and you're thinking, wow, you keep rotating between all of the same things, don't worry, I'm almost done this set list of products. I don't want to put my new stuff into rotation until I've used enough of the older stuff, if that makes sense. I'm skipping powder again. Dry. Highlighter. And blush. For blush, I had the Revlon in Tickled Pink. And then for highlight, I had the Luna by Luna in Electra. And this month, again, skipping bronzer. The less powder on my face, the better. ColourPop Clockwork Palette. This has a very peachy toned blush and highlight, which I love. Boop. Let's just slap some of this blush on here. Highlight. Alrighty. For my palette last month, I used the Huda Mauve Obsessions. And this month, I'm gonna stick with the tiny palettes. And I'm gonna use the Pacifica. Help. The Pacifica Tomboy palette. There we go. So I'm gonna start off with this burnt red sort of color here on the end. And I'm gonna use that to make an outer corner and transition shade. Acceptable. Floof that just a little bit more. I'm gonna take this sort of gray shade on the end here, just with a dry brush, see how that looks. Well, that's not bad. That's nice and neutral. Let's floof that out. So for setting spray, last month I used the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist, this one. And you guessed it, going back to the Pixie Milky Mist. Melt it all in, fan it all out. Liquid liner. Last month I used the Matte Style by Essence. Good stuff. This month I am not going to do liner today, but I am going to include the Maybelline Eye Studio mascara. Last month I used the CoverGirl Flourish mascara, my favorite everyday mascara. And you know what, folks? I'm going to use this one again this month. I just really love this mascara, especially for every day, and I feel like the brown just kind of complements that little Pacifica palette. So I'm just going to go in with this. Gloss. Now I'm doing gloss first because I don't feel like wearing lipstick today. So I'm just going to show you what I'm picking for the basket. I picked my Bubble Gloss in Pale Petal. It's just this like bubblegum glittery pinky mist. This month I'm going to go with the Cosmoholic. I got this in a Yes Oh Yes. And it's the one with the light inside it. It's really sticky, but it smells like cake. And the mirror is kind of useless. Ooh. It's a gimmick. It's a gimmick item. Last month for my bullet lip, I went back to the Maybelline Nude Lust. Absolutely wonderful lipsticks. Good for any occasion. This month I'm keeping with the sort of orangey, rusty brown theme. And I'm gonna go with Bright Pop of Avon's Tangerine Tango. This is my favorite lipstick. This is my all-time favorite lipstick shade. They discontinued it. Avon is useless. And story of my life. For my liquid whip, is the INSTA Ipsy Unzip. And this month, the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Teddy. And brows. I don't know why I ended up doing this last. I kind of got lost and forgot about them. So last month for brows, I was chunking back into my Avon brow powder in Auburn. It's the brow powder that never ends. This month, I'm actually going to double brow. I'm going to double brow. Go into my blonde brow pencil. And then go into my Essence Give Me Brow, also in blonde. Eyebrows. Alrighty, that is it for this month's makeup basket. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these videos. I do one once a month. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. We'll see you in the next one.
Wow.